This is a demonstration of my website for Project1, the book reviews. This is the index page in which I provide a sign in and register button. For a new user, we're going to click register and new one, give him a password and join. And now that he's registered, he can sign in. New one, sign in, and now he's signed in successfully. Here I also have, when you're signed in successfully, you go to the search window. Here you're provided with ISBN, title, and author filters, and a search button, and a logout button. When you click logout, it goes back to the index page. I can sign in. Let's choose a different user. Let's sign in as me. And log in. Takes me to the sign-in, and it says part N. Let's look for a title. Something starts with J. Cujo by Stephen King. Oh, I like that one. So I'm going to leave a good review for it. Liked it. Very scary. Give it a 5. Submit. And it says that my review has been submitted. If I try to submit a different review, hated it, give it a 1, it'll tell me that I've already reviewed this book. And if we want to get this book via the API, we have to use the ISBN number, API / and paste this in. It gives us the all the data here returned as JSON. And if I were to put the wrong number, it would take me to 404. And that's the main features of this application.